Hey car enthusiasts! Today, we've got an exciting first look at the highly anticipated 2025 Renault 4 crossover. We've pieced together the most accurate depiction yet, using official teasers, prototypes spotted over the past month, and last year's concept. Stick around to see the future of this iconic vehicle. Let's start with the stunning front and rear three-quarter renderings of the 2025 Renault 4 crossover. Our artist has captured its essence by integrating key elements from official teasers and prototype sightings. The concept's body and styling cues are clearly mirrored, but with some practical tweaks for production. Expect to see smaller diameter wheels, conventional mirrors, and door handles replacing the more extreme concept features. Gone are the futuristic hollow bonnet and off-road gear, making way for a more production-friendly design. The simple black grille encasing the LED headlights, the distinctive greenhouse, and the vertically mounted taillights are all nods to the original 4L. The pronounced fenders, trapezoidal, vented rear side windows, and the tapered tail with pill-shaped taillights are likely to make it to the final version, maintaining the classic look. Additionally, the generous ground clearance, robust plastic cladding on the boxy wheel arches, and large unpainted bumper sections give the 2025 Renault 4 crossover a rugged, adventurous stance. This aligns it closely with the Dacia Duster, its stablemate in the rugged SUV category. So, what do you think of the 2025 Renault 4 crossover? Are you excited about these changes? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share for more automotive content.